Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the LiveTech Storm Pro Notebook Cooling Pad. The front of the box has an image of someone working on a laptop, LiveTech branding on the top, and the model name on the bottom left. Top of the package has a description saying inspired design for new generation notebooks. The left hand side and the right hand side simply have some live tech branding, and so does the bottom. The back of the box has a lot more information. First up is an image of the cooling pad. We can see the two fans and its lighting. It also has a kickstand to prop it up a bit. Over here we have some of the specifications. Let's go through some of them quickly. The dimensions are 410 by 280 by 34 millimeters. There are two USB 1.1 ports, noise of 17 to 20 dBA, airflow of 72 CFM, operating voltage is 5 volts, power is 5 watts. Current is 1 amp. The fan speed is 1200 RPM with a variance of plus or minus 10%. Net weight of the cooling pad is 0.75 kilograms. Fan size is 115 by 115 by 15 millimeters, and there are two of those, so multiply that by 2. Cable size or cable length is 600 millimeters. Material used is plastic. It can hold laptops that range from 10 inches to 18 inches. Height adjustments in terms of degrees are from 6.5 degrees to 45 degrees. At the bottom, we have a few more salient features. We have already seen the two fans. It has large vents that allow good airflow, cool RGB lights, a notebook grip. The height adjustment is mentioned once again. Lightweight ABS material is used in the making of this cooling pad. It also has anti-skid grips and two USB ports. Over here we have a sticker which has some information regarding the manufacturer, and it also has information for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the cooling pad itself and its power cable. Let's see the power cable first. We already know that it is around 60 centimeters long thanks to the box, and it has USB Type A interfaces on both ends. It is also a nylon braided cable which should improve its toughness. Uh, Coming to the cooling pad itself, first impressions are that it is pretty light in weight. Overall, the design is quite nice and flamboyant. The finishing is a grainy matte plastic finish, matte black that is, all around the product except around the fans right here in the middle where it is a glossy black finish. Inside the fans, we can see that the fans are transparent, and that should look good when the RGB lights turn on. On top, we have four anti-skid pads on which the laptop can be kept so that it does not move around too much. We also have some live tech branding on the bottom. On the top side, we have the two USB Type A interfaces to power this cooling pad. On the back, we have four more anti-skid pads right here and right here, and we have two of these legs that can be used to prop the cooling pad up in various angles. Hopefully, I can show that to you in a proper way. So you can adjust these legs at multiple angles. The legs also have some anti-skid pads on them, so it won't move around on a smooth surface. There are also two stickers which tell you the model name and the electric input, which is DC 5 volts. Here we also have a bit of plastic that can act as a stopper up here. We can put it over here like this. So basically, if the cooling pad is angled upwards, it won't allow the laptop to slide down and off it. So let's see this product in action with a laptop now. So here we have a laptop. First off, we need to connect the cooling pad to the laptop so that it is powered. The moment the USBs are connected, the fans start to rotate and spin, and we can also see the blue colored lights through the vents. One thing that must be noted is that the fans are quite quiet and do not really disturb you that much. And this is what the cooling pad looks like when there is a laptop on it. As mentioned earlier, the strip of plastic right here can be used to uh, lock the laptop in place. So now if we angle the cooling pad upwards, it won't slide down. So this was the unboxing of the LiveTech Storm Pro notebook cooling pad. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.